Let me ask you something. Why do some people achieve extraordinary things while others watch from the sidelines? It's not genius. It's not connections. It's relentless execution. Most people dream big but never build the engine to make it real. They wait for inspiration, perfect conditions, or permission, but not you, not after today, because by the time we're done, you'll have the blueprint to turn ambition into undeniable reality. Let's start with the execution mindset. Forget motivation. The elite don't feel their way to success. They build systems that outlast moods. Your mind isn't a passenger, it's the driver. Every time you act when you don't want to, you rewire your brain for victory. Comfort is the enemy of growth. Pressure isn't your obstacle, it's your proving ground. Here is a reality check, the 1% rule. Imagine two people. Person A waits for the perfect moment. Person B does one critical task daily, no matter what. In 100 days, person B isn't just ahead. They're in another league. Consistency isn't glamorous. It's lethal. Now, cut these 3 productivity killers. Stop over-planning. Strategy matters, but don't get stuck planning. On the other hand, mere motion is not equal to progress. You need balance. You have to launch before you're ready. 2. Stop rescuing your future self. Tomorrow is a lie. Yesterday and tomorrow do not exist. You only have the present moment. What you do right now writes your future. 3. Stop glorifying business. Pay attention only to what matters. Being busy for the sake of doing something is foolishness. If it doesn't move the needle, eliminate it. Protect your focus like your life depends on it. Let's turn our attention to the daily trinity of momentum. You must do every single day. Just say, 1. Daily identify the anchor task. This is one non-negotiable action that moves your biggest goal forward. 2. Control burnout. Have short, intense focus sprints, maximum of 90 minutes. Then recover. Repeat. 3. The reset ritual. End each day by asking, did my actions match my ambitions? Adjust based on the assessment. That is, your plan for tomorrow should focus on priority actions critical to your goals. Mastering the critical voice. Doubts will scream. Here's how to silence them. When fear says you can't, respond with data. I've survived 100% of my worst days. When overwhelm hits, zoom in. What's the very next step? When failure stings, ask, what did this teach me that success couldn't? Owning the long game. Greatness isn't a sprint. It's 1,000 daily marathons. Embrace compound growth. Getting 1% better daily is equal to 37 times improvement in a year. Protect your energy. Say no to distractions. Say hell yes to priorities. Measure backward. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Final warning. This isn't about trying. Trying is failing with permission. This is about deciding. Decide to show up when you're exhausted. Decide to ship imperfect work. Decide that your mission is non-negotiable. Your legacy isn't written by your intentions. It's carved by your daily actions. The world is not waiting for your potential. It is waiting for your output. Start building. Start now. Follow this, the unbreakable cycle. Action leads to momentum. Momentum leads to confidence. Confidence leads to greater action. Break the cycle, and you break yourself. Sustain it, and you become unstoppable.